how to buy ETAKU token. So this token came under the symbol of EKU. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto. Sorry guys. Go and go and use the codes below to benefit from the price. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and this token, as you can see, it's under the Solana network. Now, if I'm opening your funds wallet for that, I will log into my wallet first. Sorry. So click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, as you can see. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Select the provider, for example Jupiter. There is only one, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and choose the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy ETAKU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.